Hey, Grandma Lou is back for another quick video. I have been wanting a salad for a while, and I also was talking with some friends about a fish alternative, and so I thought, let me put together a quick citrus salad. And so I shop at Safeway, and they sell the fresh herb salad. And I like the fresh herb salad mix because it comes with lettuce, and it also has like dill and parsley. And so it really has a real fresh herby taste to the salad. And so I've already washed and have about 3 handfuls, I'll say, already here in the bowl. And so just really quick, what I'm adding to my salad, I have onion, purple onion and green onion chopped up here. I have red tomato chopped, as well as a mixed nut trio here with some dried cranberries. And then I have some fresh oranges. And so I'm just going to scoop each onto the salad. And just like that, we have a quick salad. And then you can see how lovely that looks. And then right on top, I have some Follow Your Heart Parmesan, and it's dairy free. And I'm just gonna sprinkle probably about a tablespoon. I'm just guesstimating over, okay? And then in my air fryer, I put in on 400 degrees for 15 minutes some plant-based fish fillets. And the brand is Gardein. You see they have 9 grams of protein. It's 200 calories for 2. And that's the serving, as well as it has the omega-3s. And if you want to know, like, what is this made out of? It's actually made out of water, canola oil, textured vegetable protein, which is a soy protein, wheat flour, and more ingredients. So you can see, and it does have soy and wheat in it, but they're really tasty. And again, you just put them in on 400 for like 15 minutes, and that's by Gardein. So I have them already prepared here. I'm just going to place them on top. And then for my dressing, I'm just going to add a tablespoon. I have the Brianna's Homestyle Real French Vinaigrette dressing. And I'm just going to do a couple tablespoons of that vinaigrette dressing and just put it over the salad. And just like that, another healthy treat, amazing drink, or something to eat from Grandma Lou's. Make sure you comment, share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, bye.